1. Which planet has the most moons? Earth, Saturn, Mars. Saturn. Saturn has 146 identified moons, more than any other planet in our solar system. 2. What element is represented by the symbol Na on the periodic table? Neon, sodium, nitrogen. Sodium, Na, comes from the Latin word for sodium, natrium. 3. What is the tallest waterfall in the world? Angel Falls, Niagara Falls, Victoria Falls. Angel Falls. Angel Falls in Venezuela has a height of 979 meters, 3,212 feet. For which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen. Nitrogen makes up about 78% of the Earth's atmosphere. 5. Who discovered the law of gravity? Galileo Galilei, Johannes Kepler, Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton. Newton's work on gravity was published in his 1687 book, Principia. 6. What is the smallest country by population? Monaco, Nauru, Vatican City. Vatican City. Vatican City has a population of around 800 people. 7. What is the chemical formula for table salt? H2O NaCl, CO2. NaCl. Table salt is composed of sodium, Na, and chlorine, Cl. 8. What is the largest desert in the world? Sahara Desert, Arabian Desert, Antarctic Desert. Antarctic Desert. The Antarctic Desert is the largest desert in the world, covering around 14 million square kilometers, 5.4 million square miles. Deserts are defined by their low precipitation, and Antarctica is the driest continent. 9. What is the most widely spoken language in South America? Portuguese, Spanish, French. Spanish. Spanish is the official language of most South American countries. 10. What is the hardest rock? Granite, diamond, basalt. Diamond. Diamonds are the hardest naturally occurring substance on the Mohs scale. 11. Which country hosted the first modern Olympic Games? France, United States, Greece. Greece. The first modern Olympic Games were held in Athens in 1896. 12. What is the most abundant element in the Earth's crust? Iron, oxygen, silicon. Oxygen. Oxygen makes up about 46.6% of the Earth's crust by weight. 13. What is the capital of South Korea? Busan, Seoul, Incheon. Seoul. Seoul is a megacity and the largest city in South Korea. 14. What is the primary ingredient in guacamole? Tomato, onion, avocado. Avocado. Guacamole is a traditional Mexican dip made primarily from mashed avocados. 15. Who wrote the play Hamlet? William Shakespeare, Christopher Marlowe, Ben Jonson. William Shakespeare, Hamlet, is one of Shakespeare's most famous tragedies and was written around 1600. 16. What is the largest internal organ in the human body? Brain, heart, liver. Liver. The liver performs vital functions such as detoxification and protein synthesis. 17. Who developed the polio vaccine? Jonas Salk, Alexander Fleming, Edward Jenner. Jonas Salk. Jonas Salk developed the first successful polio vaccine in 1955. 18. What is the most popular sport in the world? Basketball, soccer, cricket. Soccer, known as football outside the US, is played by over 250 million players in over 200 countries. 19. What is the largest island in the world? Madagascar, Greenland, Borneo. Greenland covers an area of over 2.1 million square kilometers, 836,000 square miles. 20. Who was the first human to journey into outer space? John Glenn, Yuri Gagarin, Neil Armstrong. Yuri Gagarin orbited the Earth on April 12, 1961. 21. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? Mercury, Mars, Pluto. Mercury has a diameter of 4,880 kilometers, 3,032 miles. 22. What is the longest bone in the human body? Femur, tibia, radius. The femur, or thigh bone, is the longest and strongest bone in the human body. 23. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Earth, Jupiter, Saturn. Jupiter has a diameter of about 143,000 kilometers, 89,000 miles. 24. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Stapes, ulna, patella. The stapes is located in the middle ear and is about 3 millimeters long. 25. What is the currency of Switzerland? Euro, Swiss franc, krone. (26) What is the capital of New Zealand? Auckland, Christchurch, Wellington. Wellington has been the capital of New Zealand since 1865. 27. Who discovered the structure of DNA? James Watson and Francis Crick, Rosalind Franklin, Gregor Mendel. James Watson and Francis Crick. Watson and Crick discovered the double helix structure of DNA in 1953. 28. What is the highest grossing film of all time, as of April 2024? Avatar, Titanic, Avengers, Endgame. Avatar grossed over $2,923,706,026 worldwide. 29. What is the largest species of shark? Great white shark, hammerhead shark, whale shark. Whale sharks can grow up to 12 meters, 40 feet, long. 30. Who wrote Moby Dick? Herman Melville, Nathaniel Hawthorne, Mark Twain. Herman Melville. Moby Dick was published in 1851 and is considered one of the greatest American novels. 31. What is the main ingredient in hummus? Chickpeas, lentils, beans. Chickpeas. Hummus is a Middle Eastern dip made from mashed chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, and garlic. 32. Which country is the largest producer of coffee? Colombia, Brazil, Vietnam. Brazil has been the world's largest producer of coffee for over 150 years. 33. What is the capital of Thailand? Phuket, Chiang Mai, Bangkok. Bangkok. Bangkok is known for its vibrant street life and cultural landmarks. 34. Who is the Greek god of the sea? Zeus, Hades, Poseidon. Poseidon. Poseidon is one of the 12 Olympian deities of the pantheon in Greek mythology. 35. What is the largest freshwater lake by volume? Lake Superior, Lake Baikal, Lake Victoria. Lake Baikal. Lake Baikal in Russia holds about 20% of the world's fresh surface water. 36. Who wrote the Odyssey? Homer, Sophocles, Virgil. Homer, the Odyssey, is an ancient Greek epic poem attributed to Homer. 37. Who wrote the play, A Midsummer Night's Dream? William Shakespeare, Oscar Wilde, Arthur Miller. William Shakespeare, A Midsummer Night's Dream, is one of Shakespeare's most popular works and was written around 1595. 38. What is the chemical symbol for potassium? P, K, point. K comes from the Latin word for potassium, kalium. 39. What is the most visited museum in the world? The Louvre, the British Museum, the Metropolitan Museum of Art. The Louvre in Paris is the most visited museum, famous for housing the Mona Lisa. 40. What is the tallest building in the world as of 2024? Shanghai Tower, Burj Khalifa, One World Trade Center. Burj Khalifa. The Burj Khalifa in Dubai stands at 828 meters, 2,717 feet, tall. 41. Who composed the Four Seasons? Johann Sebastian Bach, Ludwig van Beethoven, Antonio Vivaldi. Antonio Vivaldi. Vivaldi's The Four Seasons is a group of 4 violin concertos each representing a season of the year. 42. What is the largest animal on Earth? African elephant, blue whale, great white shark. Blue whale. The blue whale can weigh up to 200 tons and measure up to 100 feet in length. 43. Who was the first man to reach the South Pole? Roald Amundsen, Robert Falcon Scott, Ernest Shackleton. Roald Amundsen reached the South Pole on December 14, 1911. 44. What is the main ingredient in traditional pesto sauce? Basil, cilantro, parsley. Basil. Pesto is an Italian sauce made primarily from basil, garlic, pine nuts, olive oil, and Parmesan cheese. 45. Which ancient civilization built the Machu Picchu complex in Peru? Aztec, Inca, Maya. Inca. Machu Picchu was built by the Inca civilization in the 15th century. 46. What is the capital of Norway? Stockholm, Oslo, Copenhagen. Oslo is known for its green spaces and museums, including the Viking Ship Museum. 47. What is the name of the largest rainforest in the world? Congo rainforest, Amazon rainforest, Daintree rainforest. Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest covers over 5.5 million square kilometers, 2.1 million square miles, in South America. 48. Who was the first person to win 2 Nobel Prizes? Albert Einstein, Linus Pauling, Marie Curie. Marie Curie. Marie Curie won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1903 and in Chemistry in 1911. 49. Who painted The Persistence of Memory? Pablo Picasso, Salvador Dali, Claude Monet. Salvador Dali. The Persistence of Memory, featuring melting clocks, was painted by Salvador Dali in 1931. 50. What is the capital of Egypt? Cairo, Alexandria, Giza,